6 Assam policemen were killed in a clash between Assam and Mizoram. Yes, we are not talking about a clash between India or any neighboring country, but between two Indian states. After this, chief ministers of both these states traded charges against each other on Twitter और तब से इस issue पर politics full on है. But what is this dispute? How old is it? And is it happening for the first time? Let's find out. Three districts of Mizoram, Aizawl, Kolasib and Mamit share 164-kilometer border with Assam's Kachar, Karimganj and Hailakandi. This boundary is where the dispute is, and this dispute goes back to the British times. In earlier times, Mizoram was called as Lushai Hills. It was then a district in the undivided Assam. In 1875, the British issued a notification that separated Lushai Hills from the plains of Kachar in Assam. The plains were for the British and their plantation, whereas the hills were for the Mizo tribes. This was done in consultation with the Mizo chiefs and the Mizo tribes. अब आते हैं 1933 पर. In 1933, another notification was issued which demarcated a boundary between Lushai Hills and Manipur. The Mizo community does not agree with this notification as they allege that they were not consulted for this. Then after independence, we witnessed 4 states being carved out from Assam, and they were Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Mizoram based on their cultural and linguistic identities. Mizoram became a union territory in 1972 and a state in 1987. In 1993, Mizoram issued the inner line of the Lushai Hills notification. Mizoram चाहता है कि उसकी बाउंड्री 1993 और 1875 की नोटिफिकेशन के हिसाब से ही तय हो. According to a news report, Mizoram is taking a claim on over 1300 square kilometer area of the inner line reserve forest, that is with Assam. And of course, Assam is not ready for it. ऐसा कोई एक बाउंड्री डिस्प्यूट नहीं है नॉर्थ ईस्ट में. In fact, many northeastern states have very complex boundary issues and violence is a common occurrence. अब बात करते हैं recent violence की. It did not happen suddenly. It has been building up for several months now. In October 2020, there were 2 clashes between the states and several civilians were injured. The situation was ultimately diffused but never resolved. Then the tensions rose again in June and July of this year. Both states accused each other of encroaching on each other's lands and resorting to violence. Assam CM on Twitter accused Mizoram of using light machine guns against Assam police, whereas Mizoram Chief Minister accused Assam police of lathi charging and firing tear gas at unarmed civilians. दोनों ही चीफ मिनिस्टर्स ने पीएमओ से लेकर होम मिनिस्ट्री को अपने ट्वीट्स में टैग किया है. इससे पता चलता है कि ये सिचुएशन कितनी ज्यादा सीरियस है. Recent reports के अकॉर्डिंग the central government has intervened and the CRPF is taking the control of the situation. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma paid tributes to the policemen who lost their lives and also visited Silchar Medical College and Hospital to meet those who were injured. These clashes happened just a few days after the Union Home Minister Amit Shah was on a 2-day visit to Meghalaya, where he chaired a meeting between the chief ministers of northeastern states to discuss interstate border disputes. अब देखना ये होगा कि क्या इन border disputes का resolution होगा या फिर कुछ टाइम बाद हमें एक similar cycle of violence देखने को मिलेगी. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.